Hey there everyone, welcome back. Today we're excited to share with you our top 5 favorite sustainable materials that we used right here in our latest project, Peak One in Hong Kong. We believe that being eco-friendly doesn't have to compromise on style and luxury. By using sustainable materials, you can be sure to not only make a positive impact on the environment, but also you're creating a beautiful and unique space that reflects on your personal style and your values. My first favorite material is Marmorino Plaster. This is a decorative plaster with a rich history in Italian architecture. Its beautiful material is made from lime, marble dust, and other natural ingredients, creating a unique texture that is smooth and has a polished finish. In terms of sustainability, Marmorino Plaster is an excellent choice due to its natural non-toxic ingredients and low VOC emissions. It's made with abundant materials like lime, making it a more eco-friendly option than synthetic materials. Plus, the properties of the material allows the walls to breathe, which helps regulate humidity. Next is FSC certified solid wood, like what we used over here in this headboard. We also used that in this project for the dining tables, the chairs, and a chest of drawers in the master bedroom. This means that the wood has been sustainably sourced from forests that have met Forest Stewardship Council's strict standards. To finish the wood, we used osmo oils, which are safe for children and animals. These natural oils protect the wood while keeping it natural to touch and also odor-free. Even better, all of these solid wood pieces were made right here in Hong Kong by Hardwood HK, supporting our local craftsmanship and reducing our carbon footprint. The third material we're going to talk about today is sintered stone. Sintered stone is an eco-friendly alternative to other engineered stones. It's made with natural materials like quartz and porcelain and minerals, and it's highly durable, meaning you don't have to replace it as often. What I love about this stone is the 1x3 format it comes with, so it's uninterrupted when you install it, and you can really appreciate the patterns of the stone. As well, it's antibacterial and resists stains, and because of the format, you end up with less joint lines, meaning less cleaning and less harsh chemicals. Fourth is bamboo bedding. This eco-friendly bamboo bedding is made with 100% bamboo lyocell. Bamboo is a fast-growing renewable resource that requires a lot less pesticides and water than other crops. The lyocell process uses a non-toxic solvent to dissolve the pulp in a closed-loop system. And the result? Soft, luxurious, and silky bedding that's breathable, cooling, and perfect for those people that have allergies and sensitive skin. Finally, Terrazzo. It's a classic sustainable material. It's made from waste marble chips, recycled glass, and cement. We used it here to create this custom mid-height vegetable planter. And what's amazing about it is that it's just like concrete. It can be casted and the shapes are endless. Choosing sustainable materials in your home renovation doesn't mean you have to sacrifice on style and luxury. With options like Marmorino Plaster, FSC certified wood, sintered stone, bamboo bedding, and terrazzo, you can create a refined, sophisticated, and environmentally friendly space. So thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more sustainable design tips and inspiration. Leave a comment below and let us know which kind of materials are your favorite, or do you have any other suggestions of sustainable materials for your home renovation you want to learn about? We'll see you in the next video.